Hey guys! So today we're gonna make some food! Got Play-Doh, got rotisserie chickens in the back. We also got tomatoes. Ew, look! Foxy, close the door. What is this about? No, I think it's ripe. Spring butt! Spring butt, what? Ew! Is this potato ripe? It's moldy, it's not ripe! I'm gonna cook with it. No! For the love of actual God, don't cook with it. Hold on. Let me cut it open. Ew, there's maggots inside. Bonnie, shut that thing. How am I supposed to shut it? No. It's not looking too bright on the inside. Like me. Foxy, are you perhaps depressed? Stop wasting time and record it. Our tablet is at like what, 8%? I know. Studios, look. Let's take a bite out of it. I'm having a seizure. I love this potato so much. It's gonna be my son. Are you rubbing your butt on it? No!